Like many urban dwellers, it's long been my dream to escape the western sprawl. Find a little place on the planet where I can live off the fat of the land, thriving on whatever I can grow, gather, or catch. Well, it's a dream no more, because I found northern Thailand, the perfect place to create a miniature small holding and put my fantasy to the test. Man, lately these days seem like they just keep getting crazier and crazier. Today I woke up from a wonderful dream and decided it was time to go out and try making another video for the day. I thought, well, I need a few shots outside of town. So I got my car and took my camera, and then I got pulled over. Yes, I did. I forgot to put tags on my car back in October, my birthday, and now that cost me a little bit over $200 to take care of the fine and get the new tags and pay the fee for it and for all the months up until now. And then I had to pay clear up until my birthday, even though, I mean, that's October, even though I'm hoping to be out of here within 2 months, if not less than that. So, yeah, great start to the video, eh? Okay, so today I got to do some catching up. I got to finish the laundry that I started yesterday and never finished. I need to wash the dishes. I got a whole sink full of dishes to wash. I still need to go take care of the hens. I want to check on Keaton's rabbits, make sure he didn't forget to feed them this morning, if I can. Then, of course, check on Dutch and make sure Dutch has plenty of food and water. The whole animal thing, you know. I'd like to clean a little bit more in the house, but I don't think I don't have time. One of the things I did was cleaned off half of my desk and put a piece of tape on it to mark it out. Everything that's going to be put there are things that are going to be taken to Thailand. And I marked out another corner of the house in tape, and everything in that corner I will build a crate and put and take that with me. Now, a lot of the stuff I'm torn about, like my little Vox amplifier, I know I can get one of those in Thailand pretty cheap, cheaper than what it would cost me to ship it there. But I'm thinking if I'm making a crate and there would happen to be enough space left over in it or whatever, rather than putting packing material in it, just throw extra stuff, and that would be one of the things I'd put in there, is that little amp probably. I don't know. I don't know what size crate I'm going to need, and I don't want to send anything bigger than what I have to. So I'm going to put it all in the corner and on the desk and try to figure it out. Now, what I'm hoping is the stuff I put on the desk will be stuff I can put in a suitcase and take with me, so it's in my, you know, in my grasp the whole time. And then the other stuff I'll just have to probably mail. And I might mail it to Gordon Tickle just to make sure it gets there before I do, hopefully. And yeah, you know, then when I get there, I've got everything I need to start my little studio project, which actually mostly isn't stuff that I'm planning to make money with. It's stuff that I want to do. I want to go to Thailand. I'm going to tell you what, I've been talking a lot about money. Money, it's not going to be long before money does not even matter anymore anyways. And not just for me, but for everyone. And at least ways, in my opinion, I could be wrong. A lot of people have been wrong before. But I kind of think we are seeing the end of the dollar coming very quickly. and I need to be set up before that happens. So what I want to do is have, I've mentioned it before, I want hens and rabbits and ducks on my property. And those would be the main things that I get food from: eggs, duck, and rabbit meat, and duck eggs too, probably, if we can get some decent ones. Then I also have a friend, Gordon, who hopefully will share some of his bounty with me too, because he's got a different kind of farm setup, and it's pretty nice and got a lot of variety. And I think it's going to be an awesome thing to do. But I want to do that and live off the land and basically play guitar and record music, and I have no plans at all of it making me even $2. I just don't figure it will, you know, because I'm going to write what I want to write, and well, as it goes, the stuff I write sounds like it came from between 1968 and 1982, and well, that's not in style anymore, but that's what I write, that's what I play, that's what I do. And I'm hoping I can find a few musicians out there who are also into that stuff and will play along with me. And who knows, we may put a little band together and we may go out and be a big hit somewhere, you know. I mean, and probably that'd be some little tiny venue, and we might make, you know, $20 or $30 in a weekend or something. Probably barely anything, but it would be just, like I said, that's something that I want to do for me. It's just my fun thing. But the main thing I want to do is sit alone in my apartment with nobody around and just write and record music, because that's what I love to do. Now, tonight, I'm going to do some recording too, because that's my plan anyway. I want to record a song or two, and then I also want to record some little bits that I want to put in this video. But it looks like I probably won't have time to do it. So if you hear some blank audio spots, it's because I wanted to put music there. But you know, you get what you get. When you're putting up a video every day, you just don't have the time to get everything done that's in my head, you know. I know the rest of this video was supposed to be completely different. I just don't have time because it's already afternoon, and I got to start working on getting this stupid thing up by 2 o'clock at least, or else I'll never make it by 4. Getting this thing up on the YouTubes for you guys to see. But hey, that's life. Let's live it, huh? And it's going to get better soon. It's just right now we're still waiting and waiting and waiting and dealing with the craziness and all the extra money that people keep taking from me. And it's like, oh my land. But you hang in there. You hang in there. And I will too. We're going to make it. We're going to escape this lunacy. And we're going to get out of here, hopefully before the dollar falls into nothing, because in my opinion, that's going to happen, and it's going to happen soon. So that's why I'm in a hurry. I think I need to be in a hurry. But I think it'd be a good thing for all of you people to think about it too. It would not be a stupid thing to prep a little bit. Get ready in case something happens, because I see something happening that doesn't look very good. It doesn't look good at all. So I'm not here to issue a bunch of warnings and scare people or anything. Just do me a favor. Prep a little bit. Aaron, you're already doing a really good job. Alright. But you need to have something to eat and a place to stay. And that's the main 2 things. And water to drink, by the way. But yeah, call me crazy. Well, I probably am. Yeah, I'm crazy. So anyway, thank you for watching my video. I finally got the intro kind of close to where I want it. It's not exact, but it's getting there. I'm molding this into my little show, and once I go down to either twice a week or once a week, I'll be able to do a lot better videos for you. A show. I'll be able to do you a show. And it's all reality. It's still for real. But, you know, now we're talking about, I've already divulged. I'm going to Thailand, and I'm just showing you the process of going through this. And sometimes it's slow, and sometimes it's a lot of waiting. And that's another thing. I don't think I have enough subject matter to keep uploading every day. I'm going to do it clear up to Friday. Friday, we're cutting it out, and I'm either going to go to once or twice a week, and that's it. Now, I've had one person tell me they'd prefer me do it twice a week. Nobody else has said anything. I had one person say they preferred the Les Paul over the other intros I've been doing, other guitars I've been using. Same intro, but different guitars. And I like the Les Paul too. I also really like the one that I put up for this show, which is a Fender Starcaster. It's actually a Japanese made Fender. It doesn't quite fit it's not even high enough to be a Squire, but I love it. I don't know what, there's something about that guitar that I tend to just write songs when I play that guitar. They just come out of my head. I don't know why, but it's like it's got some kind of evil possession in it, I think. But yeah, it's cool. Anyway, what is this, Tuesday? I think it's Tuesday. So what I need you people to do is keep pushing away, keep working hard at it, get the things done you need to get done, and think about prepping. For me, do it. Because even if I'm wrong, it won't hurt you at all to be set up like that. Now, a lot of people, that's not paradise to them, but the weird thing is, that's paradise to me. If I can get it all set up before it happens, that's paradise to me. That's where I want to be. That's what I want to do. It's going to be sweet. So anyway, I'd like to wish you all a great rest of your week. And I got things I got to take care of, and I'm going to try to get this video up by 4 o'clock. And I'm still thinking about just once a week so I can do a really good video. I don't know, because it's just taking so much time. And I've got so many other things I've got to get done. I can't be just doing videos all the time. I mean, I have a lot of stuff that I like to get done, that I need to get done. So, anyway, love you all to death. We'll see you tomorrow. Woo! Thanks for watching.